Good morning, students. Now we were going for the chapter 6 about the Asia. Here, Asia is not the largest but also the most populous continent in the world because it has a great variation in the relief feature, climatic condition, natural vegetation, civilization, and culture. Asia lies in the northern and the eastern hemisphere of the world. About the location and extent of the Asia. Now, Asia extends from about 10 degrees south to about 80 degree north latitudes and from about 25 degree east to 170 degree west longitude. Here, the land mass of Asia and Europe is known as Eurasia. It means Asia is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Pacific Ocean in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. So that's toward the west of the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea separate Asia from Europe. The northeastern and the Bering Strait it's between Asia and North America. It is southwest and the Suez Canal separate it from Africa. Asia has been the birthplace of many ancient civilizations such as Indus Valley Civilization, Chinese, and the Mesopotamian civilization. The most of the regions in the world have actually originated and developed in Asia. Find out the names of any five such religion. Now, on the basis of the political division, Asia has about 50 independent nations which have been divided into groups as given in the table 6 is to 1. So you have to be seen the in the map of the Asia. Now, Asia, due to its very large area, is called the continent of extreme due to the following reasons. Firstly, here Mount Everest. It is the highest mountain peak in the world, and the Dead Sea marks the lowest point on the earth. Now, Verconex in the Asiatic Russia has recorded the lowest temperature minus 70 degree centigrade, while Jacobabad in Pakistan recorded the highest temperature 57 degree centigrade. Mizoram in India has the highest annual rainfall, where some parts of Saudi Arabia does not receive any rainfall at all for many years. Now, the Caspian Sea is the largest lake, while Lake Baikal in the Asiatic Russia is the deepest lake in the world. Natural vegetation varies from mosses and lichens in the northern part of Asiatic Russia to equatorial evergreen rainforest found in Asia. Now, Tibet Plateau, it is also called the roof of the world and it is the highest plateau in the world. Now, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers together form the largest delta in the world. Asia is the birthplace of Jainism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, and the Confucianism, Judaism, etc. So basically, so these are the reasons that Asia is the largest and extreme continent. Now, about the countries of the Asia, so now you have to be seen east of the Japan, South Korea, North Korea, Taiwan, China, and Mongolia. So these are found in the eastern part. Now, North Asia, Asiatic Russia, and their capital is the Moscow. Russia and both the Asia Europe continent. Now, Central Asia, here number of the countries are there like Kazakhstan, Astana, Tajikistan, Dusbandhe and Turkmenistan, Ashgabat and Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Uzbekistan and the Tajikistan. So Southeast Asia you have to be seen number of the countries are there: Myanmar, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam and the Cambodia, Brunei, East Timor and the Philippines are there. Now on the South East Central Asia, so basically India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and the Maldives found in the South Asian Central Asia and the Western Asia. Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Syria, Jordan, Lebanon, Christian, Israel, Qatar, Bahrain and Yemen, Oman, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, Palestine, Armenia and the Georgia. So basically 49 countries are the total of the found in Asia. Now Asia has many fertile rivers and valleys and almost uninhabited regions as well as such as the Thar Desert, Serbia and Tibet, Mongolia, etc. Now on the basis of the physical division of the Asia, basically Asia is the largest continent. It has very high mountain ranges, vast plateau, extensive lowland and fertile river valley and many groups island. We can see broadly divide Asia into the following physical division. Now northern lowlands, central highlands, southern plateaus, rivers basin and the island groups. So basically Asian physical feature is divided into the 5 parts.